కాకుండా కొంతమందికి ఇచ్చారు.
Respected jury members, faculty and my dear students, a warm good afternoon to everyone. My name is Bhavani. Our project title is A Study on the Diversity of Mushrooms in Mahbubnagar urban area and their health benefits. Now I introduce my team members, Naushik, Sushmita, Priyanka, Kaveri, and supervisor of this project, Dr. K. Harprasad. Let's go to the topic introduction. Mushroom belongs to the group of organisms known as macrofungi under the phylum Ascomycota and Basidiomycota. They are fleshy and spore-bearing organ of the fungi that is called fruiting body. They are seasonal fungi which occupy diverse niches in forest and territory ecosystem. Next slide please. And it can be seen with naked eye and picked up by hands. And there is a great number of variations in mushroom morphology. The variations in size, color, texture, shape of the cap and stalk are the obvious characters and important in identifying mushrooms. A big difference in mushroom morphology, some are edible, some are poisonous. According to Manoharachari et al. 2005, out of 1.5 million of fungi, only 50% are characterized until now. Next, continued by Naushi.
Thank you, Bhavani. Aim of the present study. Aim of the present study is to highlight of the mushroom diversity in Mahbubnagar urban area. To date, there are no reports on mushroom diversity of Mahbubnagar district of Telangana state. Hence, this attempt was taken in the present study. My friend will be continuing.
Materials and methods. Collection set. Mushroom fruiting bodies are collected from the MBS Arts and Science College and different locations of Mahbubnagar urban area, Telangana. The district received rainfall under the influence of southwest and northeast monsoon. The present study was during the period August to December 2022 to 2023. The average rainfall of Mahbubnagar is 608 millimeters. Next slide please. Collection of the mushrooms. Many mushroom species are collected with the air hunting nets, scissors, digging tools and the polythene bags. During the survey, the morphological characters of the specimens are observed and properly. Photographs of the specimens are taken in different angles for the further study. For this study, opportunistic sampling of the mushroom protocol was followed. Muller et al. 2004. This method involved carefully walking through the study site and collection of the conspicuous photographs. Next slide please. Second one, morphological characterization. Morphological characterization are based on the cap size, structure, color of the fruiting body, shape of the gills and color described earlier Kumar et al. 2015. Morphological character of the mushrooms are sample studied and data sheet prepared. Mushrooms are identified using the standard manual HOT 2013 and mushroomexpert.com. Third one, data analysis. Analysis the data to draw the conclusion regarding the diversity of mushrooms in Mahbubnagar urban area and their potential health benefits. And continued by Bhavani.
Thank you. Next, coming to the result and discussion. As we can see in the table, we have collected 34 species of mushrooms. They are Agaricus aracularia, Bovista, Chlorophyllum species, Flavulina species, Critocype, Critophilus, Conocype, Coprinopsis, Dallinia, Fomitopsis, Ganoderma species, Laccaria laccata, Lepiota species. Next slide. And Macrolepiota, Melasnius, Mycena species, Pallas species, Podaxis, Podocypha, Polyporus, Jazirella, Schizophyllum, Tremex, Tremella and Sileria species. This graph shows us 32 belongs to Basidiomycota, 2 belongs to Ascomycota. Among the 34 species of mushroom, some are edible, some are poisonous, some are unknown. And among the 34 species of mushrooms, 5 are unknown, 7 are poisonous, 5 are not edible, not poisonous, 2 are edible when immature, 15 are edible. Next, continued by Priyanka.
Thank you, Bhavani. These are the photographs of the mushroom species we identify in our present study. Agaricus campestris, Aracularia, Phascosuccinia, Bovista commispora, Chlorophyllum luteum. Cnidophyllus subsoli, Clavulina cristata, Clavulina rugosa, Coprinopsis species. Dallinia chilia, Fomitopsis spinicola, Ganoderma catesi, Ganoderma lucida. Next slide. Laccaria laccata, Lepiota bengalensis, Lepiota felina, Lepiota mantispora. Next slide. Macrolepiota procera, Melasma siccus, Mycena adscens, Geobendus parent species. Products Pistillary Zathirella infecta, Cyzophyllum commune, Polypora various, Podocypha petalus. Next slide. Cyzophyllum commune, Tremex villosa. Remella mesenterica, Xylaria species.
Next slide.
Kaveri Kanda.
Thank you. Among 34 species, we found 14 mentional species. They are Agaricus capecis, Creeper and Cancer and Auricularia, anti-radiation, Bovista lagifera, Diabetes, Conocyte, Alysogenic effects, Darlinia, Stomachache, Fomitopsis funicola, anti-tumor, Ganoderma latici, immune boosting effect. Next slide. Ganoderma lucidum, anti-cancer, Phallus, neural diseases, Podaxis, kidney disease, Podocypha effective for viral diseases, Cyzophyllum commune inflammation, Pimenta immunostimulating effects, and Xylaris species to promote lactation after childbirth. Next. Among 34 species, we found 7 species are anti-cancer properties through the literature survey. They are Agaricus campestris, Auricularia paxosaccinia, Bovista lanisphora, Fomitopsis funicola, Ganoderma latici, Ganoderma lucidum, and Cyzophyllum commune. Next, continued by Priyanka.
Thank you, Kamal. Uses of mushrooms which are useful to maintain our health well. Decrease the risk of cancer, lower sodium intake, promote lower cholesterol, protect brain cells, provide a source of vitamin D, stimulate a healthier gut, and support a healthy immune system. Now she will come.
Thank you, Priyanka. Nutrition facts of mushroom. According to the Tiwari and Tagore, mushrooms contain about 85 to 95% of water, 3% of protein, 4% of carbohydrate, 0.1% of fat, and 1% of mineral and vitamins. There are 22 calories are present in 100 grams of mushroom. This table shows
Previous.
This table shows the which is mushrooms used in India most. The first one is the bottom mushroom, Agaricus bisporus, and second one is the oyster mushroom, Phyllotus species, and third one is the sheet-egg mushroom, Lentiviola idodes, and fourth one is the inoki mushroom, Flammulina filiformis, and fifth one is the modern mushroom, Morchella species, and last one is the rishi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum. Kaveri will be continued.
Coming to the conclusion, a total 34 macrofungal species were collected from the field of Mahabubnagar urban area. 32 are Basidiomycota, 2 are Ascomycota. Among them, 22 are edible, 7 are poisonous, 5 are unidentified. Among them, 14 species are medicinal importance. Notably, 7 species with anti-cancer properties. They are Agaricus campestris to Cyzophyllum commune. Cyzophyllum commune is the predominance in the present study. Next slide, please. In conclusion, the diversity of macrofungal species collected underscores the ecological richness in the studied area. The edible and poisonous highlighting the importance of accurate identification for foraging purposes. The discovery of 7 species with anti-cancer properties introduced potential avenues for future research in pharmacology and medicine. Overall, the findings contribute valuable insights in the fungal biodiversity and its potential applications in various ways. Next. Our recommendation is detailed identification and cataloging of mushrooms, exploration of potential mushrooms, and conduct some community awareness and educational programs on mushrooms in our Telangana state. Our final recommendation is to take mushrooms in our daily diet for good health and good future. These are the some references are used in our present study. Next slide. I would thankful to those people. Thank you.
Right.